Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel, Dare, Inspire, Beautify, where you can be daring, inspiring, and beautiful all at once. So for today's video, it's just going to be something really simple, really easy. I'm just going to show you guys my room. So it's a room tour, and I'm so excited because I don't know if you guys know, but before I used to share this room with my sister. I personally like to keep my room clean and organized, and she kind of just was a little bit more messier than I was. So in that aspect, we kind of just like clashed a lot. So even though I still share a room with someone, I share a room with my cousin now. She moved in with us a couple months ago. My other sister moved out, so I ended up sharing a room with my cousin, and we kind of like, it really suits both of us. We're both clean people, and we're just kind of like, we were just meant to share a room. And so I have this new room, and I want to show you my new room tour. And I just, because I love this room so much. It used to be this beige color, and we painted it white. Anyways, I'm rambling on, so I just want to show you my new room. And yeah, it's like, it fits my personality so much. So hopefully you guys like it. Don't forget to follow me on social media like Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, Also, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and subscribe, and stay tuned to everything I have in store, because hopefully 2018 is my year. Hopefully. So let's just get right into the video and show you guys my room. Okay, so here we're gonna look at my bed. It's this nice horizontal bed. We laid it out horizontally so that it would fit both me and my cousin, because I share the room with her, remember? And in the back of the bed, we have this blank wall that we're planning on putting up pictures very soon. And then I have the stocking to the side of the bed with this basket full of our curling irons and straighteners. And then in the gray thing right there, I forgot what it's called, we have our brushes. And then we have this black thing, I forgot what it's called too, a black stand, I guess, with some decorations. And like one Adidas magazine, it's there too, with our travel money, our mason jar where we put our money. And then on top, to make our room super cute, we put some Christmas lights, because we love Christmas, we both do. And yeah, and then this cute little chandelier thing, ball, I got that at Ross for like $6, and I think it adds so much to the room. Here we have this clothing rack, which I laid out our best clothes, like the dresses that stand out the most. And then I put a Sephora bag, of course, because we both love makeup. And I put it there just to add like a cool effect, and the dresses just make it look more chic. And I personally really love the rack. I think it adds so much to the room. On the bottom, that's where I keep my underwear and my sports bras. And then yeah, and then up here right there is where I have all my makeup. Up there, I use that for decoration. So I have this music box carousel thing with an empty box and a white basket that I use for my quince to put all my gifts for my guests. And then on the corner right there, I have my candle just to make my room smell good. And then I have all my eyeshadow palettes, my makeup. In the back, I have my lotions, my perfumes, my heat protectants for my hair, and yeah, and my mask, like face mask, I also have that there. And I just have a purse casually for decoration. And in that black box thing, I have like my scrunchies and my necklaces and my rings there. And then right there, I kind of just use that for my gym clothes. In the back, I have my pajamas. In the basket thing, I have that for my my swimsuits. And yeah, basically just for my clothes. And right there, I use that to put away all my dance clothes in there, like dance shoes and leotards and t-shirts are to the side. And that's, yeah. And then underneath the bed to the left, there's 2 drawers. The left one is mine, the right one is my cousin's. I'm not going to show you hers because that's hers and that's her private stuff. But I'll go ahead and show you my side, which is to the left. So you open the drawer and there's just like 1 or 2 skirts, but it's mostly just like long sleeves. Since it's winter right now, I use those a lot. But yeah, and sorry if it's like a messy because, well, I'm a mess, so sorry. I was like in a rush, so I didn't have time to fold it. And right there, it's kind of like my study. I use that place to study. Well, we both do, me and my cousin. And I think it's really cute. I think it adds like the super duper cool effect to my room. It just makes it look more like business-like and serious. And I just love the cushion. The cushion is everything. It's so cute. I love it. And it's blue, so it goes with my room too. Perfect. The right side is my cousin, so again, I'm not going to show you hers, but the left side is mine, and I just have like my personal clothing there too, so I won't show you that. But underneath the desk is all my school stuff so that it doesn't get in the way of where we walk, because my room is low-key kind of small. Not too small, but it's still small. Right there I have the sewing machine for my fashion club at my school, and then right there, that's my sewing machine that I got for Christmas, my personal one. My earrings go there. I think that's so cute, like a little tree. And then my books to the side because I love books. And then right there, that's kind of just gibberish for decoration. Like books are for decoration too. And in the back, I have my cleaning wipes for my glasses and my camera. That's very important. And this is just kind of like a drawer for my school stuff, no biggie. And then I have this container where I put all my needles in for my sewing stuff as well. Now here is the big guy. Here I have all of the fabrics we use to kind of like do our fashions and our styles any way we want. In the closet, here is my closet. The left side is mine, and the purple stuff is just stuff for my 16, my 15 or 16, however you want to call it. We basically treated it like a 15, not really a 16. And then we have the books, and then the right side is my cousin's clothes and jacket. And then over here we have our purses and backpacks, mostly. So on the left side, these 2 are my stuff. So I have my purses and then an extra backpack, and then the other 2 are my cousin's. And then right behind us, we have the scarves. And so me and my cousin, we both kind of just combined it. So she has her scarves on the left this time, and we have belts in the middle, and then some more scarves that we both share, so we don't really like have which 2 are our own. And then this bag right here is my cheer bag that I used to use for my shoes, and now I just kind of have it hanging. I don't use it for anything much. And then we have this big empty space right here that used to be where our TV was, and then they took it out, and then we got a new TV that they're gonna have to put up real soon. So yeah, we're just waiting until that TV goes up so that we can, you know, have that blank space gone. Hopefully you guys liked the video, and hopefully you subscribed. But that's pretty much it for the videos, guys. That was my room tour. I hope you like it. Hit that subscribe button and see what I have in store for next week. Remember to live your life daring, inspiring, and beautiful. So, dare, inspire, beautify.
Take the time with me tonight. You should come with me.